try and get the crank off, out even, not off. So loosen the crank cap, I think it's called. Crankshaft cap. Crankshaft cap. I've loosened them all evenly. Just make sure they're all the same size before bagging it up. This is my damage. So we'll see the measurement of this. It's a case of either getting a whole crankshaft with cap or just the cap. You can get them online. But that's where the timing belt has chewed. See this? And into there. And up through there. And along there. I believe there's a recall, and Honda kind of did a mod to rectify it all. But this is the manual system, timing chain I'm talking about. You can get them on eBay quite reasonable. So all these bolts look the same to me. Same size, so I'll bag it all up. I can put the magnet in this as well. Let's take this off. And onto this side. This is loose from weeks ago. It's winter now. Last time I recorded this, it's the end of summer. Right, so this should just come off, I think. It's coming. Just need a okay. So this comes off pretty close here. So when it comes to putting it back together. Right. There's enough thing on there. You can see that, and this with the chamfer coming towards you. It's like a dimpled washer. And there's this. Okay. Goes like that. Then there's this, which should also come off, I think. It's just stuck on there with the police. I don't recommend what I'm going to do. I just want to get it moving. Fine. Put this all back together. It came off. Crankshaft. So in theory, yeah, it's already started to split. This should now just smack out this way. I've got a nice soft mallet. I'm not left-handed, so see why they say protect that bit. Anyway, it's out. Put that bearing up. We'll be changing that anyway. Okay, crankshaft out. So this is a BB, which I think is okay. It goes from AA, so that would be a B size. Could go A, B or C. C is the worst tolerance, so we're in the middle. Now I need to measure all this, but we should be okay with the crank. There's nothing there. So yeah, B could be A, B or C, A being the closest, C being the worst. It's just a manufacturing spec tolerances, and B, so we're spot on in the middle with this one, so that's quite good. Happy so far. That's it. I'm gonna just get rid of all these before we get lost. Okay, I'm just removing all the bits that could get lost. So there's like a little oil jet pressure reducing valve, something like that. I'll just bag them up as miscellaneous. 2 dowels, one from there, one from there. Yeah, doesn't want to come out. Anything that one's loose. That one's loose. I'm not going to force them. This is a worry. Just a tiny little pin found in the bottom. I wonder if it came off that gear. hook.